Hey guys, welcome to HashPlay. Myself Siddharth Hariprasad, and today inside of this wallet there is this thing that is gonna help you very much. So let's get started. Okay, as I said, inside this wallet is a thing that can help you a lot, especially if you are an iPhone user or a USB Type-C user in India. What is it? Well, it is this. Yes, this tiny little thing. Well, it is a Type B or a micro USB to a Type-C adapter, as you can see here. And how is this gonna help you? Well, as many of you know, in India the most popular type of connector for charging smartphones is a micro USB cable, and it's very much available in India. But one that is very much not so popular is the Type-C cable, that is this. So what this adapter essentially does is makes this cable into this, like so. So for a demo I can show you. See here, it's charging on a micro USB. This is a Moto G. It is charging normally, but obviously I cannot plug in this. Suppose say I don't have this with me. Okay, I'm outside and I want to charge. Oh my god, my phone is dead. Almost dead. What do? I take this out from my wallet, plug it to the end of this, and voila, I'm charging. As you can see, charging and charging. And so you might ask, so Sid, how much does it cost? 100, 200, 500? Well, I can tell you, this costs just 45 rupees. Yep, 45. But the caveat is that, or the disadvantage is that, I found it on AliExpress, and as everybody knows, AliExpress takes a minimum of 2 weeks, that is 15 days to ship. So I suggest you go down to the link below and click on it and go buy 3 of these and gift to your friends who own USB Type-C, or 5 or even 10 you can order and give them, because this thing can save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of space when you travel, and also a lot of tension, since you don't have to carry the Type-C cable, don't have to beg people who own a Type-C cable to lend you one, because now you can charge from micro USB. Another good thing is that in the link you can also find connectors that change micro USB to a iPhone, I guess, lightning cable, and even lightning to micro USB and lightning to C, I think. There are many options, so do go check it out. And that's it for today. So if you dislike the video, you know where the button is, but if you liked it, do give it a thumbs up and show some love. Also share it if you found it useful. Do hit the red subscribe button if you haven't, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you don't miss this content. Also, if you want to see more of my content, you can go to the link here or in the descriptions. It's linked everywhere. So until next time, peace.